welcome to another vlog, and this is my wife's channel. So today we're gonna unbox this device that we got from Shopee. So it's a webcam and it's a Logitech 270, and it's supposed to be a 720p, so that's 720 pixels HD camera. So let's get down and unbox it. So basically the reason that I got this camera is that I don't like using my laptop camera, so normally I use my monitor, so I keep my laptop closed and I don't want to open my laptop and then switch screens again. So since we're gonna have more virtual communication, this is probably gonna be the new normal. So hopefully this will be a long-term solution. It's not that cheap. I mean, you can find other alternatives that are much cheaper, but then previously we bought a cheaper one, but it turned out to be a waste of money because it turned out to be just garbage, you know, useless web camera for us at least, because it was advertised to be 1080p, or that's about maybe HD, but it's like a very low quality phone camera that you really don't want to look at. So now we just, so that's the lesson there. Sometimes when you buy cheap to save money, it turns out to be more expensive. So now we're gonna try and open this. Normally Logitech products are quite good. So we're just hoping that this is worth the money. It's about 1,800, I think. Yeah, I forgot, but something like that. So let's see. It's just actually it's a very basic unboxing because there's not much here. I'm not so good in unboxing. So you see, it's actually smaller than I thought. So how do you open this? I'm actually okay, maybe I just need to be patient. Oh yeah, so if you want to have a little closer look, so it's just like that. So yeah, it looks really good quality, you know, and the size is, for me, it's good enough. It's not really, it doesn't stand out so much when compared to other web cameras that is quite big, or let's say the color it's not suitable for your normal devices. So yeah, as you can see here, there's 720p there. So that's good for me. That's good enough, as long as it's properly advertised, because if you go online, some people advertise it as 1020p, but it's just less than that. And yeah, this looks legit Logitech. So let's install it. So there you go, guys. I'm already set up the Logitech C270, and yeah, I think it has a good quality. It's really good. I mean, based compared to my previous webcam, which was supposedly cheaper, but then this is a good purchase. And then it also has a microphone right here. So I'm using it as well because my computer has no microphone also. I mean, my Mac Mini does not come with a microphone. So this device is really good for my setup because I can use my bigger monitor and at the same time my computer. So hopefully this will help you if you want to continue working at home, or if you need to continue working at home, and then of course we need to communicate with our colleagues, our friends and family. So this would be a good way to keep in touch in a virtual way. So take care, guys.